In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dates in Notion. Whether you're brand new to Notion or just tightening up your workflow, this quick setup will make your databases more organized, easier to sort, and far more useful for planning. Start inside a Notion database. Think a table, board, or list where each item has properties at the top. Look to the far right of your property headers and click the plus button labeled Add a Property. This is where you define the kind of information each column will hold. If you don't see it, make sure you're actually working in a database and not just a regular page. The Add a Property button is your gateway to making data structured and searchable. When the property menu opens, choose Date. Notion offers many property types: text, numbers, selects, but date is the one that unlocks timelines, scheduling, and clear due tracking. Selecting date tells Notion you want a dedicated, structured place for calendar information. This matters because date data can be sorted chronologically, filtered to show what's upcoming, and referenced across different views without you having to retype or reformat anything. Next, give your new date property a clear, purposeful name. Something like due date or event date works great. The name should match how you intend to use it, so you and your team always know exactly what's being tracked. Consistent naming helps you stay aligned across projects, and it makes filtering and searching more intuitive later on. Once created, your date property appears as a new column alongside the rest of your database properties. From here, each item in your database now has a dedicated spot for a single precise date. This keeps timelines consistent and reduces the risk of mixing dates into general text fields, which can be hard to sort or filter. You'll notice that Notion treats this field intelligently. Date entries become easy to review at a glance and line up neatly when you sort by the column. With this simple addition, you've set the foundation for better planning. Your data becomes more actionable. You can see what's coming up, group items by when they're due, and keep your pages clean and reliable without extra manual work. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.